Charge Q versus T for a capacitor initially uncharged. Each charge with a battery of 5 volt as shown in the figure. The resistance R of the circuit is. So we have to find the resistance R of the circuit, and here things are given like in a steady state maximum charge on the capacitor is 20 microcoulomb and battery is 5 volt. So I can say that the charging Q, we write Q naught 1 minus e raised to the power minus t by RC, and Q naught is nothing but this is C times E naught 1 minus e raised to the power minus t by RC. This is Q. So at t equals to infinite, this Q is 20 microcoulomb and C is basically we don't know, but E is 5. 1 minus e raised to the power minus infinity, that will become 1 by infinity, that will be 0. So we got here as C equals to 4 microfarad. Now we got the value of 4 microfarad. Now we will use the second condition. It is said that when Q is 12.6, we have calculated C naught as 20, and then this is 1 minus e raised to the power minus t. T is basically 6 seconds, so minus 6 by RC, where C is known to us, that is 4. So in the last I will substitute this value. So I will get here 12.6 equals to 20 minus 20 times e raised to the power minus 6 by RC. So this will become 7.4. So 20 e raised to the power minus 6 by RC equals to 7.4 here, and so I will write 20 by 7.4 equals to e raised to the power 6 by RC. Now from here the value is such that simplifying it is quite complicated, but yes, it is there, so we have to solve it. So I will take ln 20 by 7.4 log on both sides will give you 6 by RC. So I will write here RC equals to 6 by ln 20 by 7.4. Then we can write here as R equals to 6 by 4, and this capacitance we have calculated 4 microfarad. So 4 into 10 raised to the power 6 will go there. ln 20 by 7.4, so 7 something near about 2.8. So I will write 200 by 74. So this is 1.5 10 raised to the power 6 by ln 200 by 74. So the value you can see that it is greater than 1, and so the answer should be lesser than 1.5 mega ohm. Let me check any option is there. So it is 1.5 is given. The value has been taken in such a way that we are getting a value which is not exactly this one, it is lesser than this one, and in the question resistance of the circuit they are asking, and none of the option is less than 1.5 mega ohm, and this value is slightly lesser than 1.5 mega ohm, and ln 200 by 74, if I calculate this value, then it will come around just, so it comes around 0.999 something like that. So it's nearly 1. So I will say the answer is near to 1.5 mega ohm.